Hello and welcome to this mindfulness meditation for anxiety, which has been designed to help you relax and stay calm when you need to most. It's important to always remember that you have the ability to change the way you feel inside and reduce your symptoms with simple but effective techniques. You are not alone in how you feel. There are millions of other people feeling just the same as you. And there are millions of people overcoming their anxiety with the help of mindfulness. Feeling anxious is a perfectly normal experience, as it only is your body trying to help and protect you. Mindfulness will teach you to observe your thoughts rather than react to them. When you do this from a non-judgmental point of view, you can rationalize with yourself and recognize when you are experiencing a false alarm. So I'd like you to begin by finding somewhere quiet where you won't be disturbed, sitting comfortably on a chair or lying on a bed. It's often good practice to enjoy a long, hot bath beforehand to calm your body and relax your mind. So as you lie comfortably, I'd like you to close your eyes and start paying attention to your breathing. Breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. On the top of each breath, hold it for 3 seconds and then count to 5 as you exhale. Just practice that now. And you can keep your breathing like this. And when you begin to feel familiar with the pattern, silently say the word relax on every out-breath. Relax. Give yourself permission to just be with yourself, at ease and in the moment. This is your special time that you deserve. So relax as you have earned this. Try to clear your mind of any thoughts that might be with you at this present moment. Concentrating on your breathing will help, but don't worry if you get any unwanted thoughts come in. Just acknowledge them and thank your mind for recognizing them. You can now let this thought and any tension you feel just drift away now. Any tension is drifting away. As you become more and more relaxed, your eyes are feeling heavier as you drift into a deeper and deeper peaceful state. I'd like you now to move your attention towards your body and notice the softness of the chair or the bed that you're lying on. Notice how comfortable your back feels pressed against it, and how your arms and legs are arranged over it. Can you feel your fingers and your toes? Pay close attention and notice the sensations as you lie here, drifting deeper and deeper into relaxation. So you're just noticing any sensations now. And as you tune in further, you may notice your clothing touching your skin, the softness of the cotton lying on your neck, or the movement of your clothes on your chest as you breathe in and out. Just notice these sensations now. There may be even a nice gentle breeze that you feel on your skin. Just notice that. Focus your attention and your awareness. Any emotion or thought is drifting away now as you create a safe and peaceful space in your mind. Feel your body releasing any tension and stress as you breathe in deeply and enjoy the present moment. Allow your breathing to be your anchor, your focus, as you continue to relax on every out-breath. Any tension is drifting away now. You feel safe and centered. You are in charge of how you feel. And now, I want you to imagine that you are walking along a beautiful golden white beach. It's a beautiful day. There's not a cloud in the sky. The sun kisses your skin with warmth, and there is a soft, gentle breeze blowing through your hair. waves are breaking onto the beach, washing over your feet. As you continue to walk along this magnificent beach and look out to sea, you feel an overwhelming sense of calm. Because you are safe and secure here. It's your own magical place where you can heal and feel at peace. The sun glimmers over the water as you hear the calming sounds of the waves washing onto the beach. There is a radiance to the water. It is a brilliant, tranquil blue that touches your soul with a cool, serene stillness. And I want you to connect with this moment now, with a feeling of love. You can think of a loved one if it helps, or something that brings you great pleasure. And just feel it for a moment. Feel the love running through your heart and up through your head. Focus on that emotion. The sun is lower in the sky now, just over the horizon, above the sea. It is a beautiful golden orange colour, reflecting on the waves, glistening and glimmering. If you have any thoughts in your mind or emotions in your body, I'd like you to picture them drifting down with the sun below the horizon. Let them go. Wherever they came from, just watch them slowly disappear beyond the horizon. And it is good to remember that all thoughts and emotion will pass, just like these. So the next time that you need to create space in your mind or clear it of any negative thoughts, just imagine yourself on this beach, watching your worries disappear beyond the horizon with the sun. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. You can now drift away in a harmonious feeling of calm and serenity, feeling relaxed and refreshed in the comfort of knowing you're able to take charge of how you feel from now on. So choose happiness every time over anxiety. Thank you.